So let's know some of the facts about a very interesting innovation named as Fasal. As we all know that agriculture plays a vital role in the Indian economy. Over 70% of the rural households depend on agriculture. But still, Indian farmers are facing the problem of low income from their marketable surplus in absence of proper knowledge and even lack of facilities. Since farming is not easy and involves a lot of uncertainties, it is difficult for farmers to make their own decisions. But then came an innovation in 2018 when Fasal started its journey with just 4 team members, and now they are on their way to impact the Indian agriculture. So, as I said this name, there might be a lot of questions in your mind about Fasal, as in how it works, what it is, why is it emerging, and so on. But don't worry, I'll give answers to all your questions with ease. So, Fasal is an all powered IoT platform for precise agriculture. It delivers insights and analytics to farmers to grow more and better. The founders of Fasal are Ananda Verma, a 28-year-old son of soil, and Shailendra Tiwari. Looking at the backstory of this phenomenal invention, Ananda belonged to a farming family from Azamgarh near Varanasi, and he often saw his father lose his crops because of uncertain weather prediction and lack of information. After graduating from IIT Bangalore and working in IT software for more than 5 years, Ananda realized he could solve this problem of guesswork using tech advancement in IoT and machine learning, which is ML. The fusion of agriculture and engineering led him to start Fasal with his co-founder Shailendra Tiwari in 2018. Interesting now? Let's know more. So the question popping in your mind might be how Fasal works. So Fasal has data-driven smart farming. That means it uses farm-level data to predict ideal growth conditions and resource requirements including irrigation, sprays, fertilization and other preventive measures and notify farmers to take informed decisions. Fasal monitors micro and macroclimatic conditions, below the soil parameters, solar conditions, crop stage, crop growth, characteristics, etc. And not just this, but Fasal system continuously checks water availability in the soil to ensure that the irrigation requirement of the crop is precisely met at all times based on crop, its stages and its soil characteristic. Also, it provides a farm-specific microclimatic forecast for next 14 days to keep you well prepared for weather risks of future. Along with this, disease and pest alerts, it records activities and finances too. Thrilled now? How innovation can completely change a particular scenario? Okay, so let me surprise you more. Fasal has so far impacted in saving 3 billion liters of water from irrigation. Yes, you heard it right. 3 billion liters. Also, there was up to 60% reduction in pesticide control and up to 40% increase in yield through Fasal. So, after this, if you still worry about how much irrigation is required for a particular soil type, when should the crop be irrigated, is there a chance that a particular disease will attack my crop, and so on? Then, Fasal is the solution to all your problems because Fasal saw that all these uncertainties pondered the farmer's mind not just during specific crop stages but every minute, every hour, and every day while the crop was standing in their farms. Fasal realized that not only data driven farming would take the guesswork out of farming by pinpointing exactly what works and also what doesn't work. Speaking about its success, Fasal has helped in numerous farmers reduce cost of cultivation and increased quality and yield through all-powered platform for horticulture delivered farm-specific actionable advisory. Long story short, they propagate sustainable agriculture and solution impacts the social, economical and environmental facts, hence making a big impact on UN's Sustainable Development Goals. Fasal is driven by innovation and it rightly justifies its tagline, grow more, grow better. So, As we saw that Fasal is a perfect blend of knowledge and agriculture, let's promote these Indian innovations which are a turnover for our country. It's high time to invest and popularize these mind-blowing inventions and step towards our mission of Atmanirbhar Bharat. Once again, grow more, grow better with Fasal. I take your leave. Thanks for lending your patient ears. Thank you.